Okay, this is lab 17, and I'm gonna start. So it's gonna be me accessing PC1, going on in, let it load. Gotta log in. Okay, I'm gonna access the file explorer right here. I'm gonna head over to downloads. Gonna go ahead and run Firefox setup. I'm gonna go ahead and click yes to that. Walk through the steps. Yes, yes. Install that. Launch Firefox now. Gonna select that. Finish. Go down here. Shortcut. And we're gonna go ahead and type in. I'm gonna go ahead and click next. Let me type in test web. Finish that out. System. We're gonna go to default apps. And we're gonna go to web browser. Firefox. And we're gonna double click it, and it is now that file, so it should load in there. And that's gonna do that. So now it's changed the icon. We're gonna go back to settings, go to apps and features. Once in apps and features, we're gonna go here, uninstall. Yes, I would like to uninstall it. Yes. Click next. We're gonna uninstall. Finish. And that should be all. That should be it. Thank you.